Okay, here we go with the Airforce Heating and Cooling Employment Aptitude Test. And basically, this is a test that we do here, and once you pass this test, that's all you really need, and we will teach you everything you need to know after that. So, real quick before we get started, we'd like to thank our sister companies, and first of all, we have Grapevine Associates. This is our parent company, our real estate investment and general contractor, who is pretty much the parent company for the rest of the companies that we have here today. Of course, we are Airforce Heating and Cooling, and give us a call, 463-5551, and we're more than happy to help you out with any kind of heating, cooling, refrigeration, solar, electrical, plumbing, remodels, you name it, and we can help you out with it. This here is our youngest but most aggressive and popular company right now, around the clock chimney and roofing. Of course, you can see it's the same phone number. You give us a call on this number here, and we'd be more than happy to come out there and take a look at roofs, chimneys, full inspections, gas logs, fireplace inserts, the whole gauntlet. And then a little bit special treat we have here is our own in-house gourmet chef, Michael Holcraft, with rustic roots, back from Chicago, and now he's right here in Virginia Beach. He'll do in-house dinners and catering, so he's another asset to the company. So, okay, so here we go. You have the cube, the cooling, the heating, the refrigeration. We do solar, of course, and new construction, remodel, and we even get into a little bit of plumbing and electrical. So everything's fine. As long as everything's fine, you really don't need to give us a call. It's usually when something goes wrong or something goes astray that you need some help getting everything back the way it was. And so that's how we like to start things off. And the way we do that is simulate a problem, and then that's when it's time to call Airforce. So let's go ahead and solve your problem. Let me use this Band-Aid here. Okay, and here we go. So first thing we want to do to solve the problem is get the white side white. We do that by starting on the yellow side. Let's see here. There we go. We got the daisy, and let's fix it. And from the daisy to the cross. And let's see here. There you are. Let's see here. Get a little closer. Let's see here. That's looking good enough. Let's try to get everybody where they want to be here. Let's see. See, here comes the magic. And that's what you call Airforce. So we can help put it back the way it's supposed to be. Thank you very much, and give us a call.